following video is for sharing our personal experience and serve you as a reference and keep you safe when you play. We also call on airsoft players to park your vehicle properly and don't leave rubbish behind you, regardless of the venue. Due to weeds and combustible materials in outdoor venues, be sure to extinguish the cigarette butts and don't use flames to cook food. Jointly maintain and cherish the airsoft venues.
Whether on a real battlefield or in airsoft battlefield, finding cover plays an important role. Because cover available on the battlefield allows the combatants to attack and defend in many ways. But when engaging with enemy, how to use effectively the cover? Can it only be used to block bullets? In the following video, we will share some practical ways to find cover and use the real sample video on Airsoft Battlefield to explain it. Application 1. Block enemy's sight. Since the light advances in a straight line, so when searching the enemy, if there have no any obstacles in the light path, you will see the enemy, who will see you too. But if there have any obstacles in the light path, you won't see the enemy and who won't see you too. Nonsense. What's the relation between covers and blocking enemy's sight? You can utilize these light characteristics and with the cover around venue, to block enemy sight at some special position or angle during the play. There are several advantages by doing so. A. Hiding your movement. When using cover to block the enemy's sight, in addition to preventing them from attacking you effectively, you also hide your movements and make your next move unpredictable. If you want to know more details, please refer to the previous tutorial video. We will not elaborate here again. B. Ever-changing blocking. In addition to using cover to obscure the enemy's sight, hiding your movements and interfering the enemy's shooting, you can also use a dynamic approach, by constantly changing your position, to transform enemy's shield into our own cover to hide our movements. Gain a safe space to move forward and extend your team's firepower area. Let's take a look at real action sample video in Airsoft Battlefield. The enemy on the screen is now planning to change his battle position, and trying to use cover to obscure our sight and hide his movements. In this case, we will do the same thing to counter him. We transform his hiding cover into our shield to hide our movements. We change our combat position to lure the enemy into knee-jerk reaction. Then, we change combating position to attack the enemy by surprise. Application 2. Overlap the cover. More skillfully, you even can change your combat position and try to overlap different covers in view, extending the effective area of the cover to obstruct enemy's sight, gaining a safe space to move forward. However, for such application you must be familiar with the distribution and condition of covers in the venue. So you must spend some time in exploring and investigating covers available. Application 3. Don't share cover. Sharing cover with your team member is not good. Why? A. Consumption of hiding space. For example, if two people hide horizontally behind the same cover in left and right sides, they could not have enough space to move around. Thus, their body flank will be easily exposed, revealing their movement to enemy and inviting attack. In such case, is it better for you and your teammate to overlap vertically behind the cover? Since enemy could come out of their cover to attack when engaging, your hiding area behind the bulletproof cover is a triangular form. If you get closer to the cover, the masking area will be larger. Otherwise, if you get farther away from the cover, the masking area will be smaller. Unless both combating sides are limited by space, people hiding farther away from the cover will easily get shot. B. Interfere with teammate. Besides the above-mentioned issues, sharing cover with teammate will easily cause body collision or shove, causing mutual interference. In serious cases, a verbal altercation or slash and physical confrontation will occur. So when combating with enemy, if a teammate wants to share a cover with you and it cannot protect you both, please kick them away. Correction, please survey immediately other cover nearby and transfer to it, or find a big shelter spacious enough to share with your teammate. Hope you like our video. If you have any idea or question, welcome to leave a message in comment area. We also have a Facebook group. Web address below video information area. And don't forget subscribe with the notifications. We will share our video regularly. Lastly, thanks to the Six Highland providing venue for us to shoot the video. Thanks for watching.
Ice cream, bring that ice, boy. Walk in, know that side, yeah. They can't tell me why. Word, I don't even need no lies. Ayy, got my own little spy. Ayy, look me in my eyes, yeah. All your dreams gon' die. Word, same old day with the same old flow, with the same.